tell you what Christmas is all about?
What's up YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Christmas decor. So we're going to make some Christmas decor. We're going to make a wreath. We're going to make, what else we're going to make, Mom? Garland? Yeah. I'm going to make like a mason jar, like plant thing for my desk. And my mom's going to make a centerpiece for our dining table.
Oh, I hope we can finish all of that.
Yeah, hopefully we can finish all of that, but we're gonna start with my wreath first. And we're just recycling old wreaths that we had and old garland that we had. And then we just bought more flowers at Michael's for Black Friday, which was like 60% off everything. And then we had a 25% off your entire purchase coupon. Let me go ahead and show you guys my mom's house because she added so much more Christmas decor. Let's start with the tree. Holy smokes, we got a big star. And this is how our tree looks like this year. We added bigger Christmas balls. These ones are the non-shatterproof, Mom? The bigger ones? Some of them, oh, okay. Okay, so some of them are non-shatterproof, and then this is the one that we got from Home Goods. I got some from Home Goods too. Like this one that was on my tree that I showed you guys. We got the same ones, and then we have some flowers. These little like glitter asparagus looking things. She got these pillowcases from Amazon. It came with 4, so it has this one. It has this one that says Merry Christmas, that one that says Believe, and then this one that says Merry and Bright. She got them at Amazon for how much, Mom? 20 bucks. So we got some plain pillows, and then she has like another set for me. Here's our stockings for this year. This one we got from Kirkland. I don't think I showed you guys that, but we got that from Kirkland when I went. And these are just like old stockings that we've had. That it's my sister. The T is for her middle name, and then my mom, my brother, and then me. And these are our stocking holders. This is our runner for the coffee table. It's like stockings. This is the cutest thing that we've ever gotten, in my opinion. I don't know how long we've had this for. We've had it for a long time. We have these little snowmen sitting on the entertainment center that's holding the TV. We also got this Joy to the World sign from Kirkland as well. If you guys remember the ones that I showed you in my decor haul, I have the Santa and, oh my god, like the Christmas ball one that says Merry Christmas. That was like the same place that I got that. This is like a sled thing that she kept from last year when my boyfriend got me flowers, and she made it as like a flower vase and then made like decorations in it with flowers. And we can't forget about the railing upstairs. So she made this whole garland right here and this wreath. We added Christmas balls, a lot of flowers, and then this Merry Christmas sign is from Kirkland's, Mom? Yeah. From Kirkland as well. And she just tied it with bows. So Kirkland's is a really good place to get Christmas decor. When we went to Kirkland's, it was 30% off your entire purchase, and then I think the entire store was 30% off, something like that. I forgot. We're just gonna start decorating. Well, not decorating, making decorations. First project, the wreath. I got my wreath. I got some pine cones, fake flowers. What is this flower called, Mom?
Poinsettia.
Poinsettia. And little berries, holly berries. You know, the ones that you put like on your mistletoe. So we got that, and we're just cutting off the flowers so we can glue gun them to the wreath. So here is the placement of the flowers, the berries, and the acorn. I put the big one at top with the acorn, and then I surrounded the acorns with the berries. Same thing over here. I just placed them for now. I'm waiting for the glue gun to heat up, and then I'm just gonna glue gun it to the wreath. And same thing over here. It came out so cute. So this is how my wreath turned out. I just glue gunned everything to the wreath, added the berries, the corn, and the flowers. So, and we already have the ribbon on top. Mom, you wanna hold it up? Let me hang it up. This is how it's gonna look like. Oh, it's so cute. On to the next DIY decor. We're gonna make some garland. Now this is the garland that I want to hang up above the marble art piece that I have in my living room. So we have some Christmas balls, we have some ribbon. Maybe I'll add more like more leaves or something, or like the berries if we have more. But yeah, same concept. I'm just gonna line it and place it where I want it to be. Then I'm going to glue it on to my garland. So here's how I lined up my garland. My mom measured it. I just told her we can just place it, but she wanted to measure it. And then we added these Christmas balls each side, and now we're just gonna glue them. We're gonna glue the Christmas ball with the top like that, like onto the garland. We're not gonna have the top showing like this. We're gonna glue the top to the garland like that. We're gonna spread these around and other leaves around on the garland too. So we finished gluing all the balls and the berries and extra leaves on here. I ended up adding these berries that I added on my wreath as well. And then we put mini little Christmas balls and then a medium Christmas ball all the way down. And then I think we're gonna add bows to it too.
Gold or red?
Gold or red bows
Should be
to it too. Yeah, we're gonna alternate. And then once we do that, we're done. So here is the finished product of my garland. It looks so dope with the lights. So the lights are just red, green, and yellow, and it just matches with all of the Christmas balls. And then we put the bows, we alternated the bows with the red and the gold. Oh my god, I love how it came out. Alright you guys, so it's been 2 days. I was supposed to film the other day what else I was gonna make, but it was just so fast that I made it, and now I'm back home in my apartment. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I made and explain how I did it. It's very, very simple to the point where I don't really need to record how I did it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. This is a cute little planter mason jar that I made. So I got the mason jar, I got everything from Michael's. I got the mason jar from there. I got this cute plaid ribbon, and I just wrapped it around and I glue gunned it to the mason jar, and then I sealed it off right here with glue gun as well. And then I got this little fake plant with the berries and the pine cone, and then I just filled in this empty space with this ruffled hold tissue paper, just to like make it stand up and not like hang to the side. So yeah, this is how it came out. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna put this on my desk, and then it has like little fake little snow on the pine cone and the berries. And I just thought this would look so cute on my desk. I really wanted something for my office, my work area, and yeah, it came out cute. So that's going to conclude my Christmas decor video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys make something of your own for Christmas. It's so much fun. It's a really fun way to bond with family. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Let it snow, let it snow.